Hi, I'm Tanil, and this week in Cooking Group we're going to be making pizza. What's special about the pizza we're making today is that it only uses 2 ingredients in the dough, which is Greek yogurt and flour. Just with a few extra bits and pieces, we're going to show our people today how to make a really healthy meal and easily achievable at home.
Everybody loves pizza. I love pizza a little too much, and looking forward to learning how to make the dough, which is going to be the hardest part, but probably the most useful.
This is going to make 2 pizzas, okay?
Level it on. Lovely. Chip it in. If it starts to bubble too much, just take it. But we want it to cook, reasonably quickly.
Okay.
Over there too.
Alright, I think we're done. What a mess.
I don't know, it looks pretty good.
It does. It's a mess now. It's going to be a mess later.
Just sit it here because it's going
But,
to be very hot.
it'll be nice. This is our pizza. It got a little out of hand. Good work, Carl.
So keep a lookout over the next few weeks for some videos that we're going to be sharing to keep up to date with the progress that we make this term.